Well, good morning everybody. My name's Andre and welcome back to another CyberVlog. Now, it's a little chilly today. Anyway, the purpose of this vlog today is just to do some minor studio upgrades. So I'm just gonna get you guys to come along. We've got a package waiting. We're gonna go get that. Have a few little errands to run, but in the end it's about, again, upgrading the studio. So I hope you guys enjoy this little vlog. I enjoy doing them. It's just something for me to mainly just get more comfortable in front of the camera and to talk to you guys. So hopefully this helps. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys want me to do more vlogs. It's something I really enjoy. It's something really weird up here in Canada to do, especially in a city like Edmonton, but hey, nothing I can do about it. I just have to keep going, keep grinding, keep hustling. Don't worry about what other people think, what other people say, and just do it, right? That's what it's about. Alright guys, so from our first stop, I just went in there. I didn't bring you guys in with me. We got some light bulbs. I want to brighten things up. I don't know. And also picked up a Swiffer. My floor was filthy, but now we're gonna go and we are gonna get the good stuff, the stuff I know you guys have been waiting for. Well, not necessarily know if you've been waiting for it because you guys don't know what it is yet. Maybe from the thumbnail, from the title, you might be able to guess. But yeah, let's go get what I need to get. Guys, I got my package and it is absolutely huge. Check that out. Oh, I am so excited. This is gonna be an awesome little upgrade. Super stoked. Some other little stuff. I still have a few errands to do, so I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna run the bank, do that, figure my school stuff, my textbooks, but I'm just gonna take you guys right home. And we are back in the studio. We got a little package. I got my life together, went to the bank, figured out all of my stuff. Perfect timing for everything. Now we're gonna unbox this big box that I told you guys about. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna try and set up a little time lapse. We'll see how that's gonna go. But bear with me. I'm excited for what's in this box.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, ignition, liftoff.
So I decided I'm not going to bore you guys with the whole time me actually just putting this thing together. Lots of stuff to do if you guys actually want me to like message you how to put it together. It's pretty quick and simple, just lots of packaging. But here is the final thing. This is only one of the two of them. Looks really, really good. You got your two switches here on the back. You can turn each one on. The stand is actually fairly solid. Lots of people are complaining that the softbox itself doesn't stay up. There's a little thing right here, just tighten it up. My apartment's a mess, I apologize. But overall, the quality isn't bad. It's not great, but it's not bad as some people say that it's just low quality. So there you guys have the Christmas tree. It's still up. And if I turn these soft boxes on, just so you guys get an idea. 2 bulbs, 2 bulbs, 4 bulbs. It creates a nice soft color. So if I, for example, move right here, my face looks great. And if I turn, let's just turn one of them off. If I can find it. It's bright right up front. Okay, that's not bad. It's a little better. My face looks nice and soft and white. No shadows either. So it's really good. I bet about 70 bucks on Amazon. These will be fire in the studio. I'm really excited to use them. Thank you guys for watching. This was the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to do more vlogs like this one. I can finally get rid of that little thing right there. No more using that. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. We do tech reviews, unboxings, anything tech related, from camera reviews to games to software to computers to anything. Just picture, just imagine it. It's yours. We can do it right here. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.